Hi there, I'm Nelson from Monitor BM. Occasionally, admin staff will need to make a public computer reservation for a customer in WebAdministrator. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of making the booking as an admin user, highlighting the various options available as we go. We start by logging into WebAdministrator using our admin credentials. Once we've logged into Web Administrator, we go to the left-hand control panel, navigate to Reservation, and then click on Management. We can see the computers available for reservation in the main panel of the screen here. To create our reservation, we simply click Create Reservation in the top right-hand corner. We're now given the option to choose queue reservation, block reservation, or future reservation types. Queue reservation will create a booking for the user in the next available session at one of the public PCs. We will cover block reservation in another tutorial. Future reservation is used when the customer wants to reserve a PC for a future date and time. We'll go ahead now and create a future reservation. We start by looking up the customer using their library card number or their name. Select the appropriate user account and press Next. We select the computer that we would like to reserve for the customer at the appropriate site and location and click Next. In the reservation creation screen, we select the date and time that the customer wants to make the reservation. The system will default to the standard default booking time that's determined according to site policy, but administrators may override this restriction if allowed to do so. Once we are happy with the reservation details that we have entered, we click Finish and the reservation is completed. The customer will receive an email if one is configured in the LMS. This physical receipt can also be printed out if needed. That completes the process of making a manual booking on a public PC for a customer.